Toyota's first EV will start at $42,000. The new 2023 BZ4X, holy name, it is slated to go on sale later this spring. It looks like kind of like the Lexus. No, kind of like the Lexus one.
Oh,
because
okay.
Toyota Lexus is the same thing. I mean, the shape is ever so slightly different. But remember, we were talking about the Lexus EV SUV with the yoke.
Yeah,
I gotta believe it's some sort of correlation here. After announcing the company's first electric vehicle last year, Toyota has finally released pricing for its upcoming BZ4X SUV. For the base XLE model with front-wheel drive is going to start at $42,000 while providing 252 miles of range. That's a Tesla beater right there because we just saw the Model Y and it was like $60,000 for similar range.
wow.
Meanwhile, if you prefer a slightly more premium kit, you can upgrade to the limited package, which starts at $46,700. More luxurious satin and soft touch finishes, upgraded seats, and Toyota then offers front-wheel drive and X-Mode all-wheel drive options at both trim levels. Oh, okay. The Model Y we were comparing did have all-wheel drive, so that would change our cost comparison a little bit over here. It's similar in size to the popular RAV4. It is 3.7 inches longer, but 2 inches shorter. What?
Height, probably.
Thank you, Mo. The BZ4X is going for a sleeker, more futuristic design featuring an emphasis on aerodynamics and improved driver visibility. Plus, you get a big, giant screen inside of it. Look at that. Well, that's what you need now.
Oh, they got a rotating gear selector.
I mean, these are the things you need now. If you do the EV, it's got to be futuristic.
Right, yeah.
You can't come with old school designs.
No.
Carpet is not futuristic.
Uh-oh.
Well.
Need drain plugs.
Mo.
I don't like that.
I can't deal with him right now, Mo. Can you settle that down over there?
I'm actually excited for this.
Oh, you're going to pick that up?
No, I don't know if I'm going to pick this up, but I'm excited that this is an option because, EVs are too expensive, and it's nice to see.
You like any EV that's below 50 grand?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty
It's
good.
affordable.
It's pretty good. I got to agree with you. People like these price points. Now, granted, the big problem here, it tends to not even be the price point, but the demand. They're going to be like, yeah, it's 42 grand. But guess what's going to happen when they launch it? It's going to be back ordered for 2 years. You're going to be like, it's a great deal. I just, I can't really get it yet.
Yeah.
Like him. Like this guy can't get a Bronco. It's not even electric.
Right, yeah.
He's been buying a Bronco for 5 years. He's been buying a Bronco since before it came out.